For Tunix Hackathon, I worked on robotic expert AI using Gemma 2. It's a 2B model fine-tuned with LoRA on 51 robotic design problems. The cool part is it actually shows its reasoning. You get to see why it's recommending specific components, how much they cost, and how long things take. So first, I created a data set of 51 robotic scenario. I'll show you a few examples in GitHub. I got everything from robotic arms to assistive device. For each one, I've included detailed reasoning about component choices, torque calculation, costs, assembly steps. It splits 90-10 for training and validation, and the model learns from reasoning and answers, not from the question itself. Now hopping down to config. For training, I'm using Gemma 2 with LoRA, which means I'm only training 14 million parameters while keeping the base weights frozen, rank 16. So it's lightweight. I'm doing 720 training steps, batch size 32 with the gradient clipping to keep things stable. I went with standard fine-tuning instead of reinforcement learning because with smaller dataset like this is simpler and more reliable. Running this on Kaggle TPU, so there are a couple of tricks I had to figure out. First, Jack's does just-in-time compilation, which can take 10 to 30 minutes and looks totally silent. I added a keep alive heartbeat that prints every minute just so Kaggle knows we are still working. Second, the storage was tight, so I checkpoint every 120 steps and keep only the last 3. That's about 2 gigs per checkpoint. Yeah. All the fixes are in Notebook, and the training goes on for about an hour and saves all of them in the checkpoint Artbook. If we go back to the tab, all output files are here with training metrics and training summary. There's more information on GitHub about the project, like the learning, how the dataset was made, and some reference libraries I used. To run the notebook, upload it to Kaggle, select the TPU environment, import the dataset and Gemma 2 model. Then run all once you get the TPU environment provisioned. And there's also post-training verification demo that will pick up checkpoints. And there's a way to add previously successful data and comment out the training. That's all. Thank you.